I'll be on some other shit. It's kinda bittersweet that I fell in love with it. I always thought that if I always cared about how I dress, that folks would think I'm arrogant and chicks would lose interest. But as it turns out, people start to notice you more. You turn heads when you step foot in them sneaker stores. Like, where you get them, can I get them? What's the biggest size left? And chicks that never would have seen you.
What's up, everybody? It's Big Roth TV, and I'm back with another sneaker video. Alright? Now, you saw me before come to you and bring you this video. This is the Lebron 18 LA by Day sneaker. Alright? I did the review on this not too long ago, and it's a pretty dope shoe. Pretty dope shoe. Alright? Now, that brings us to today's video. Alright? Nike made an alternate version of that shoe, and I have it right here. Because you all know, Big Roth, proud member of the Lebron gang. Alright? Now, once again, LeBron James, LeBron 18 box. Of course, LBJ logo there on the back. Boom. Alright. These are the LeBron 18 Pink Prime and multicolor. Alright. Size 14 on these boys. And the retail was $200. As I always say, use whatever discounts that you are able to get. These have been on sale for like the last week on Foot Locker and Champs and eBay and all those for $50 off. $50 off. I mean, a little bit more after taxes, but they're on sale for $50 off right now. So take advantage of the discounts. All right, well, let's go ahead and get into these. But of course, you all know how I do it. Right here on Big Roth TV. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Very funky. Left shoe first, baby. Woo. Yes, sir. A LeBron 18 LA by Night colorway. And these are wild. I know these colors are wild. Got some pink going on. We got some lime green going on here. Man, more green going around the air unit in the back there. I know these are wild, and there's a lot going on in this shoe. Got some gray there on the bottom. It almost looks like it's a cement gray on the bottom with the black speckles there. And the laces are that kind of a turquoise color with the green lace tips. Alright. As per usual, King at the top. LeBron logo in the center. And then on the bottom, we got the LeBron signature. Alright. Let me get this shoe tree up out of here. On the inside, down on the insole, you have a king. You have the Lion King logo on the inside there. Anything on the back, LBJ. LJ with the King logo. Let's see if there's, I know there's details on the LA by Day. There's a whole bunch of different California things. I guess on here since it's the by night colorway, there's not a lot going on. Just some, it looks like it's some waves going around there underneath the plastic area. So not a lot of designs as on the LA by day. You got your usual Akron, Ohio representation going around here in the lettering on there. It's harder to see on this one because of that lime green colorway, but it does still say it. On the side here, we got your Nike swoosh and then the FLZ for full length zoom. On the front, we have Lifetime spelled out across the front. Lime green swoosh. Just dope shoe, man. I mentioned the pink swoosh there in the back. Very dope. Green bottom. LBJ logo there. The lime green hits throughout that cement gray. Alright. On the upper here, all that raspberry pink colorway. And you got some orange hits going through there and mixed in through there. Alright. Now, when I was getting these, I wasn't initially gonna get these when I saw these because I said, man, that colorway is wild, man. It's really wild. But I saw LeBron have them on feet. He was scrimmaging with Bronny and he was wearing these, and I saw it and I said, man, those look really sweet. I might have to pick them up when they go on sale. But I looked to my right, sitting in this room, and I said to myself, you have a LeBron that looks just like this. These are the LeBron 10 Low Raspberry, aka the LeBron Curios. Alright? And if you notice, this shoe is very similar to this shoe in color. Very similar. You got that raspberry colorway. You got those greens on the bottoms. The darker kind of colors. This is a very dark kind of navy or maybe even a black. Whereas this one is just that dark purple. But on the inside of this one is that dark purple. Whereas the back is that purple here. With the pull tab and everything. Lace tips, same. Laces are different. These are a purple with the green speckles throughout. Inside's green. Very dope shoe. Very dope shoe. But as I was looking at purchasing this one and I was thinking this colorway was too wild, I looked and I saw this one. I said, not very much different. Not very much different. If you can rock these, which I do rock these, I wear these pretty often, then I could definitely rock these. Alright? But, you know what we gotta do now? We gotta take these boys on feet. Alright? This is what I had on feet today. The LeBron 11 in that Gamma colorway. One of my favorite LeBron 11s. Alright. Very dope. Get these to the side. This is what you came to see. Alright. Now, for size reference, this is a size 14. My big toe is right there. Alright, so I have just a little bit of room there. But if I'm being honest with you all, I prefer the fit of the 14 better than the fit of the 13 and a half in this shoe. Just feels like I got a little bit of room. It's a little bit more comfortable. Alright, so for me, I would recommend going half size up, but that's just my foot. That's my personal preference of this shoe. Maybe you want a more snug fit. So definitely true to size or half size up. I wouldn't recommend going down at all. Alright. Now let's get some of that Coming at ya. Coming at ya. Yes, sir. Now let's go ahead and get a little bit of that booty view. Let's go ahead and get a little bit of that booty view for you all. Yes, sir. But anyway, that's going to do it for these. Definitely a dope colorway. I know it's wild. It's a very wild colorway, I know. But I think it's a dope one. I think it's a dope one. What I wanted to try to show you, I know I couldn't do it when I showed you earlier. But on the inside, there it is. There's that Lion King there on the inside. Alright, so that's what you're getting on the inside. Very dope. So another thing that I forgot to mention when I had them on feet is with the pods that are on the inside here, this extra cushioning on the back there, they don't just slide right off your feet. You know how sometimes you might just kick your shoes off, you rub your feet together and you kick your shoes off like that, you slide them off. These aren't going to do that, at least not for me. They don't slide right off. You got to actually unlace the shoes and then take them off your feet. And I like that personally. That means for me, if I'm hooping in these, I'm not going to worry about a bunch of movement. My foot is going to be locked in place. It's not moving. If I'm trying to cut, if I'm trying to drive, my foot is going to be locked in place. It's not going to be sliding around. I don't have to worry about the shoe accidentally sliding off my foot or anything. It feels like I'm going to be locked in. Even on a half size bigger than my normal size, I still feel locked in. So that's definitely good, and you should consider that if you get these planning to actually hoop in them. Alright? But that's going to do it for this one. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing. I truly appreciate it. More content is on the way. And I'll holler at you all in the next video. Peace.